it's been very promising. The trailer hit heavy views very quickly within 48 hours. We are very happy. The film is up to release on 13th. And now we just geared up for the release and hoping that everyone enjoys the film as much as we did.
Anushka, look इस तरफ, Anushka. मैम थोड़ा वहीं पे रुक जाओ ना. थोड़ा इस तरफ जाओ ना. मैम अरे संजना यार. मैम Anushka right.
अनुष्का यहाँ सामने अनुष्का यहाँ पे
अनुष्का right की तरफ.
There are a lot of flats that I see there, and personally, I wear a lot of flats, and I think I always say that you give a girl a pair of flats and she can conquer the world. So
She can go flat.
no, she can conquer the world and make people go flat. That's why I think all the girls who work will agree with this. You know, we need trendy flat shoes because you're always on the run and you always. I mean, I personally love them. So I'm really happy that the collection is really has a good collection of flats. That's nice. That's what's amazing about the film. And it is about a personal struggle. You know, how far can you get pushed if you decide to give back. So I think that's something that's very I thought was very special, which I think people would feel when they watch the film. Ideally, I would have liked it if there was only certification, just ratings given to films, because then it is up to individual discretion. You know, whether you want to watch a film or not. As in, it's up for an adult to decide. So I guess it's work in progress, and we have put up, you know, our I would say our industry. Yeah, as an industry, we all stood together for it, and NH10 I think would be one film where you see that, you know, we've tried to push the boundaries with this film, and there is, I mean, of course, as much as we could, we have fought for it, and now what we have will be coming out on the 30th.
So you heard it from the censor board and they cleared the film. That's what you're saying. It's releasing on the 30th.
The film is releasing on the 30th. It's got one visual cut, and otherwise most of it has been passed, and it's got few audio cuts. Yes. I just said we've had to cut few music. See, we knew that we were not making or doing, or no actors was saying something for effect. It was because that is the way people talk in that belt, right? And it is something that has been done with utmost honesty. So we would have appreciated if it wasn't. But then a lot of the things that we wanted to retain in the film has pleasantly been retained. I'm very happy. The industry has really come together this time, you know, because as an industry, you know, we're in that age where we're making cinema which is different, unique. We're trying to push boundaries. You know, we're growing as an industry. So obviously these will all come together in support of one another. And like I said earlier, it's an honest film, you know. There is no glorification of anything that we've done. I think there's some certain credibility attached to the people who've made this film also. You know, there's no need for we've not tried to insinuate anything through the film. We're showing things as it is.
अनुष्का जैसा कि हमने देखा है कि इंडिया में
लड़की को शॉप में लेके आए हुए तो ऑब्वियसली मुझे डिस्ट्रैक्ट होंगे।
इंडिया में स्वाइन फ्लू का वायरल दौर से हमने देखा सोनम कपूर को भी स्वाइन फ्लू है, तो उनकी सलामती के लिए कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
यार मेरे पास नंबर है उनका, मैं उनको खुद बोल दूँगी। Yeah. Same what you said.
Alright, that's about it for the Q&A session.
Hey! उससे पहले पूछा था।
बताओ प्रोड्यूसर कितना फर्क महसूस करती है क्योंकि आपने NH10 जैसी एक आसान फिल्म नहीं की है, एक कठिन फिल्म आप बताएं।
Oh, no doubt about it. जितना एक्सपीरियंस मेरे को मे भी कुछ फिल्में करके मिलता है, वो मुझे एक्सपीरियंस एक ही फिल्म के साथ मिल गया एज अ प्रोड्यूसर. So I'm very happy. It really taught me a lot. It made me see, like I've gone on saying, you know, when you guys watch the film, you'll understand. We've made a very true film. हमने पूरे दिल से उसको बनाया है, and in a way, it's something very original that people have not seen, and we really believed in it. So we fought for it. We fought for the film to like see the light of day, and that's happening now. So we're very happy that our
एक पैटर्न टूटा है हाल फिलहाल हमने देखा है न्यू एज फिल्म में।
जी
किस तरह से देखती हैं इस पैटर्न को सिनेमा?
I think पैटर्न इसलिए टूटा है क्योंकि ऑडियंसेस रेडी है ऐसी फिल्म देखने के लिए। यू नो, जब लोग रेडी है देखने के लिए तो हम लोग वो फिल्में बनाएंगे उनको दिखाने के लिए। एंड वो एक जिसे बोलते हैं वो दैट कनेक्शन इज बरकरार। इट्स हैपन ऑलवेज। नाउ आई थिंक पीपल आर अवेयर, हम लोग पढ़ते हैं, बहुत अवेयर होते हैं क्या क्या होता है फिल्मों में और क्या क्या होता है दुनिया में, एंड वो देखना चाहते हैं कि आप स्क्रीन में उसी चीज़ को अगर दर्शा रहे हैं, दे वांट टू वॉच इट। सो आई एम हैप्पी दैट वी आर पार्ट ऑफ दैट, दैट आई हैव come in a time where industry has seen that kind of change. We're making like different cinema, and I'm happy that I have been with my first film, that I've started with a film like this, you know, that I've in a way we've done something original which I'm very proud of.